Kareena Kapoor Khan was present at the launch of the new hair color range salon Secret of BBlunt. The actress, who is currently the brand ambassador of BBlunt, was extremely delighted to be a part of the journey with the brand.
Pleasure. I think I'm very excited. Of course, there are a lot of brands that I endorse, but I think I'm very excited today to be a part of the BBlunt family.
Yay!
Because I've got an opportunity to work with, I think, two of the most amazingly talented women in the film fraternity, which is, Odna Babani and Awan. I think the way they've made me look in this ad, I think all of y'all agree, I think it looks absolutely stunning. It's my pleasure to be a part of, such an amazing team of talented women especially,
Thank you so much.
So I'd like to thank you all for having me on board, and of course Godrej, for being so lovely, for shooting such a grand ad for all of us. So we're very excited today.
Thank you very much, and I think you look awesome and gorgeous in the advertisement.
Yeah, of course. And
It's
my
amazing.
hair looks amazingly shiny, so I'm very excited about that. For women, that's very important, that your hair has to look, bang on,
Yes.
absolutely shining, and like the ad says,
You're
keep
shining,
shining, baby.
baby.
Yeah. Actually, wherever I go now, I want everyone to say that tagline.
You're
That's the
shining,
most
baby.
important thing.
So can we have that first? Can you say you're
Yeah,
shining,
I'm
baby?
sure you all know I am shining. Of course, there is a glow also, but my hair is also shining.
Yeah. Tell me one thing. I believe you're a regular BBlunt salon loyalist already. Regular.
I think
client.
before also I was on board, before I was, brand ambassador to BBlunt, I think I was always frequenting the salon, whether it was haircut, hair color. Every 6 to 8 weeks, I think I was
At BBlunt.
at BBlunt. So now the photographers have spotted me many times outside BBlunt. They are proof. Well, I think a good shine spray always helps, क्योंकि screen पे बाल हमेशा खूबसूरत लगना चाहिए, shining लगना चाहिए. So that is something that I think a hairstylist always has, and BBlunt has an amazing product. So we always use that. I think that is something because it's so important in a character also that जब आप screen पे एक heroine को देखते हो, तो उनकी खूबसूरती का राज definitely पहले ही उनके बालों पे जाता है. So when the whole look is right, so to maintain that is also very important. And to obviously have the most amazing hairstylist like Odna is also very important.